VAF. This is the Vanguard Australian Fixed Interest Index ETF. This ETF invests in high-quality income-generating securities issued by the Commonwealth Government of Australia, Australian state government authorities and treasury corporations, investment-grade corporate issuers, as well as overseas entities that issue debt in Australia in Australian dollars. So to make sure this is a good ETF, we're going to compare it to BlackRock's IAF and State Street's bond. Putting $100,000 into these ETFs almost 13 years ago, you can basically see they're the same difference. The best and worst products were within $2,000 of each other after 13 years of reinvesting dividends. So really, you can't go wrong with any of these products looking at them so far. So now we're going to test out a two-fund portfolio, and we're going to use IOO for the equity and VAF for the fixed interest. And we're going to test out 60-40 portfolios with all the ETFs, withdrawing $5,000 a month adjusted for inflation. Starting off with $1 million portfolio and withdrawing money for 13 years, you were better off than when you started with all the ETFs. Bond did the best again, VAF came second, and IAF came third. Taking a closer look at all the metrics, all the Sharpe ratios were the same as well. The main reason why I chose VAF over bond was due to liquidity. There's a lot more invested in VAF than bonds, so it's going to be easier to get in and out of. VAF was made back in 2012. It has over $3 billion in assets under management. It has a very low management fee of 0.1. There are currently 811 holdings in this ETF. Bonds have been a little volatile recently, so its beta is the same as the market. The duration of these bonds are 4.88 years. The trailing 12-month yield is 2.97%, and these distributions are made quarterly. Taking a look at the performance, the 1-year return was 6.41%, the 3-year return is 3.98%, the 5-year returns were a negative 0.32%, and the 10 years a 1.99%. The 3, 5, and 10-year Sharpe ratios were also 0.01, negative 0.51, and 0. This is a great ETF to use for the defensive part of your portfolio.